Hey y'all, so I'm back again today. We're gonna actually talk about what I bought because I'm actually going on another vacation here soon, and your girl dipped into her Ulta bag. Ooh, I got the goodies, y'all. I got the goodies. So we're gonna unbox what I bought and see if you have tried any of these. Do you love them? Do you hate them? These are actually quite a few staples in my artillery, so let's go ahead and get started. So first things first is always the travel size version of this rice water thing by Tatcha. I like this one. This was actually my first time trying this kit though, because I wanted to try their sugar scrub. Got cat hair on it already. I wanted to try their sugar scrub for their lip mask, but I have tried their dewy skin cream. I've tried their water cream, which I love, love, love. And these are so cute. They're perfect for the plain, the little travel size version. And of course the rice water scrub, which I've already used. That's why my skin is glowing, if you can't tell. Okay, so Tatcha for the win. Every single time. Buki, get you some. All right, throw that in the bag right now because I don't want to forget. Actually, I tried these. These are from either TikTok shop or Temu. I can't remember. But all the girlies were using them a little while back. And they're like those lip tints. Let me see if I can show you. Ooh, that one's dark. It's real dark. But you're supposed to be able to like line your lips. Okay, and then it adds like this cherry red like tint to it. You like peel it off. So these have come in clutch. I've actually already bought these once before, but not this brand. So I just wanted to try like the cheapy version and see if it's as good as the real one, because if so, dupe for the win. I got two of those. All right, matchstick. Hold on. Yeah, this Fenty matchstick. I don't know, because this is supposed to be like a jelly cheek and lip tint. Let's just try it. Because I don't know. Melanated skin, y'all. Some of this stuff don't be working, but ooh. I don't know. It looks like she's working. Hold on. Put a little on my nose. Yeah. That's sweet. It looks all like natural glow. That's what we're going for. Sun-kissed a bit. Been out in the sun too long. Okay, I like this. This is in the color Strawberry Pop. We like this, y'all. Yes, honey. That just brought some life to my look. Okay. I've been sweating all day running around my errands. Yeah, she can come too. She can come too, Strawberry Pop, okay? In case that didn't work, y'all, I bought the Benefit tint, which I always use. Like, this is a secure staple in my travel. Can y'all see? It's got so much freaking flash on here, but yeah, this one always works on me. And I'm not gonna actually use this on my face, but if you can see, it's extremely liquid. Like, you can, yeah, it's like nail polish the way it comes out. And I just dab it into my skin, and it adds like the same kind of flush. I was nervous that that Fenty one wasn't gonna work, so I have bought this one. I already have one of these, but this was just gonna be a backup, so we're good. We don't need her. We're gonna stick with Strawberry Pop. A full size and small size travel size of a re-up on my Sol de Janeiro. I like the 76. Yeah, this smells so good. I don't even know. Let me see if I can describe what it smells like. Whew. It doesn't even tell you what notes are in here, does it? No, of course not. Whatever, it just smells like a good time. If you like lighter smells, but yeah, I don't know. This is my favorite one though. And we also got, what is this? Oh, this is the Fenty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer. I don't normally use her concealer, but somebody told me this was really, really good. And I do have some bags under my eyes right now. So let's see. Real time, y'all. Real time. Ooh. That kind of blended out real smooth. Now, obviously, with any concealer, you want to set it, but this is totally impromptu, so I'm not going to. I'm not going anywhere for the rest of the night. So who cares if it wrinkles? We're just gonna try it. I was hoping it was gonna be something similar to Shape Tape, because that's what I use, the Shape Tape by Tarte. That one has been my go-to for years. Ooh. I could have actually went a shade up, but I was nervous that this one was gonna be a bit too yellow when really there's more red in my skin, so who knows. Oh, I think I bought 2 on these on accident. This is again the Tarte or Tatcha rice water. Oh, because I wanted to try their matcha cleanse. Somebody told me, and I'd be like nervous to commit, y'all. So if you're like me, you can always get the travel size version to try it first, but this has the matcha cleanse, and we all know I love the rice water one, so these for sure can come. Pack those up right now, okay? These freestyle highlighters. This first one's called Kilowatt, and again, I know these have been around for years. Oh no, this one's called Trophy Wife Kilowatt. Ooh, I like the packaging. You see that? It's like this pearlized, I don't even know if you can see. It's got like a purple finish, kind of like my nails a little bit, like that pearly kind of. Ooh, let's open. Lord of mercy. That is gorgeous. We're obsessed. Okay, we're gonna try a little down the nose. What? Friend. Look. Oh my sunny days. Oh my stars. Look, friend. Yes, come on, trophy wife. We all want to be a trophy wife. I know that's right. Okay. Because you ain't got to say nothing to it but to do it. And that just, that is outstanding. Wow. Wow. Oh yeah, she could come. Oh, and I just wanted to peel this off before the video ends so you could see what I was talking about, this little peel test. Ooh, she is pigmented, y'all. If y'all find those on TikTok shop or on Temu, get you one, okay? Because that is a true red. Like, for a lip liner, Diamond Bomb in How Many Carats. I love their packaging. Come on, Fenty. Now this one is more of like a silvery. Maybe I could do that on the back of my hand. Yeah, can you see that? That's more of a silvery finish. Okay, we like her, but that's gonna have to be for a special look. Okay, and then we also have this one called Fenty Cheeks. All right, y'all, I went to another video, but this is the Fenty Beauty Lollipoppy Fenty Cheeks, and I figure if none of those were going to work, I could at least just set my liquid blush with this powder one, and I actually do like that. I thought it was going to be too loud, but nope. It looks like it's going to work out just fine. A little bit peachy pink is what I was going for. So we got our solid contenders for this time around. Okay, y'all, wish me luck on my trip. If you can guess down below in the comments, how much do you think this all was? Right? Guess. I'll probably get you a gloss bomb or something. I'll have to freebie giveaway a gloss bomb to whoever can guess how much I spent on this Ulta order. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all next time.